The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Look at those mums. Welcome back here on Good Day, Kansas. We continue from the production range here at Stutzman's with Jason French. We're talking all about the mums today. Jason, thanks for being with us.
Hey, thanks for coming out.
So tell us a little bit about what you know about these mums.
You know, mums are, the epitome of the fall color, all of those reds and bronzes and yellows that we expect. And, mums are one of those plants that bloom at the time they do. They need a longer night to make them tell them it's fall, it's time to flower. And, here we are already at that point for them. Our longest day was back in June, so we've been getting a little shorter since then. But now the mums have grown out their nice green size. We've spaced them out in this field so they can finish growing. But now the days are getting short enough that we're beginning to set the flower bud on this. And so the growth changes to these little clusters of all of that. And over the next few weeks that'll begin to develop and start showing some of that color.
Yeah, so tell us about the mums. What colors are they going to show?
And depending on variety, this one is a nice bright yellow.
Okay.
But you're going to see a lot of those traditional fall colors, yellows, reds, bronze. We do have a large selection also. They're called mumbos instead of mumbo. Instead of a combo, it's a mumbo. And they have 3 different colors in there, but they're types that are all going to bloom at the same time. And so you get the combination pot like you do with, your summer flowers and things.
Yeah.
And so those are nice. Mums are a good perennial in Kansas. We just grow the garden mum or the hardy mum. The sooner we get them planted in the ground, though, the more time they'll have to root in and the better luck you have of overwintering them.
Okay.
But just starting to get into that season where we know that weather's going to be changing and those fall colors are going to be popping.
Yeah. Well, how easy are these to take care of?
Generally pretty easy. Once you're receiving them this year, you really don't have to do anything with them other than keep them watered. If you grow them in the pot, like fertilizing once or twice, it'd be fine, but they're pretty much all grown. Planted in the ground, we want to keep them pretty moist. We want to leave the top on them through the winter. It kind of protects them and insulates them, but really not too difficult of a perennial.
My kind of plant right there.
There you go.
Low maintenance. Tell us how people can get more information and get their hands on some of these mums.
Yeah, of course, these will be coming into all the stores as they begin to get some color, but if you have any specific questions, drop me an email. My email is the word questions@stutzmans.com, and if a photo will help, be sure and include it.
Always enjoy coming by and seeing you guys. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived, gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green.